Okay.
Okay, so I think now let's start the orientation. So I have only 15 minutes. So in that 15 minutes, I have to complete my orientation and I have to give the class to Ajit Dubey sir. So let me begin by myself, by introducing myself. My name is Reshma Prasad. Maybe some of my existing students should know me. And I'm the program manager at TLUPS. So, a very good evening to all the students and the teachers who are presented in this class, the problem solving class. And we started our new academic year in the month of February 2025. And today we are beginning our complementary problem solving seminar sessions for AMC 2025-26 that which we promised to all our AMC registered students. So, before that, I would like to give a brief orientation about AMC. What are its criteria, its eligibility, how the exam is being conducted, and its fundamental concept. I know there are some of the students who all are already in the AMC program, but some of the other students are new to this program. So for both existing and for new students, I'll be providing this orientation. Okay. So, before starting the orientation about AMC, most importantly, I wanted to share some exciting opportunity with all AMC registered students that we are conducting a Math Olympiad training program in Trivandrum. So, for all the AMC registered students, we are inviting you to that Math Olympiad training program. And this will be an intensive 7 day program. It will be like a camp. And in that 7 day program, for the first 5 days, the classes will be fully into academics. Like you will be fully trained for Math Olympiad training, where you will be getting a chance to receive the lectures and strategies from expert mentors, like how to prepare for Math Olympiads. There, they will be discussing some challenging problems, and you will be attending various Math Olympiad level lectures. It's not only for the preparation of AMC, it is for all the Olympiad. It is a training program for all the students who are preparing for all the Olympiad. It can be IMO, IOKM, or Australian Math Contest. So then this training program, Math Olympiad training program, is for you. So additionally, it's not only that 5 days, not only fully into maths. Yes, it is an intensive training program, but in the morning, we will be beginning with some refreshing walks, which will be energizing your mind before the classes starts. And also, we'll be conducting some yoga sessions, and there will be first aid and CPR training sessions because we are the partners of Canadian and American Red Cross, and we are authorized to give that classes. After the 5 days of intensive training, then the last 2 days you will be spending or exploring some beautiful places in Trivandrum. So before that, I just wanted to know, is there any students in Trivandrum before, like in Kerala, Trivandrum? No one has visited. Okay, then I think nobody have been not in Trivandrum. So then you should definitely come because Kerala is known as God's own country and it's filled with natural beauty. And here you can visit our famous Padmanabha Swami temple. You can see Veli Lake, Kavalam Beach, Kanyakumari Museum. And there are more beautiful places you can visit in the last 2 days. So it will be more exciting experience for you. You will be meeting with different students from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and curriculum, sharing your ideas and making memories. It will be more exciting and fun. So the same program will be available in the US also. If you are not willing to come to Trivandrum, you can come to US. The same program is available in the US also. And you can bring your parents if maybe some of the students are coming new to Trivandrum. If you want to accompany your parents, then you can come with your parents, and you just wanted to see our campus in Trivandrum. It was fully surrounded by green, like it's full of nature, creating a peaceful and calm environment for you to learn. So this experience will be like nothing you have had before, like a unique teaching style which will be in like an ancient Gurukul model. It will be. And this is like ancient Gurukul model means we'll be taking you from your comfort zone and giving you this intensive training program plus this a 2 days of tour program. So those who are interested, I'll be sharing you a link, a Google Form link in the chat box. My support team will be sharing that. You can fill that. So for more details, we will reach out. And the same program we have been conducted in Agastya International also in Hyderabad. So the testimonials of parents, teachers, all you can see in our YouTube. It is available in the YouTube. That link also I'll share with you. You can watch that. So the Agastya model is a 3 days. They have been in the. It was completely intensive training program. They have been in that campus only, but here we'll be planning something different. So for this campus, I'll be sharing you the videos, photos, and everything later. So first, Shinosh, can you send the Google Form link in the chat box? So if anyone is interested, they'll fill out. Okay, then. And also for in 2019, we have taken the students from DPS Faridabad. We have taken to this HMMT in MIT University too. Yeah, that's about it. So if you are interested, we are planning in the vacation month. So if you are interested, then please let me know. You can discuss with your parents and you can come to me later. And Shinosh, could you please send the Google Form link here? Are you there? Okay, now, anyways, I'll be sharing in middle. Now I can move to the details into AMC. I'll be sharing you the screen now for those who are new. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, as you know that AMC is the premier program of MA, Mathematical Association of America, and MA is the world largest community of mathematicians, students, and enthusiasts. It's a 120-year old organization which will be having all these mathematicians, scientists, students, teachers, and everyone. So all these you all know. So MA is the one of the international math competition, which is organized by Mathematical Association of America. So MA has different partners in different regions. So in South Asia and Middle East Asia, we are the partners. TLUPS India is the partners. So the students who are residing in South Asia and Middle East Asia can take the exam through us only. And AMC has three levels. AMC 8, which is for 5th to 8th grade students. AMC 10, which is for 9th and 10th grade students. And AMC 12, which is for 11th and 12th grade students. So in AMC 8, I'll give you a brief about AMC 8. It will be happening in January 2026. Actually, 25th is a temporary date. It has not been finalized yet. So for that, it has 25 multiple choice question. There is 1 mark for the correct answer, 0 for the wrong answer. There will be no negative mark. And in total, there will be 25 marks. And for all the participants, if it is a good mark or a bad mark, everyone will be getting participation certificates and also a special certificates according to your marks. Then AMC 10, which is for grade 10 and below, probably from 9th to 10th can register. The dates are temporary. There will be some changes in there. And for AMC 10, for the correct answer, it will be 6. 1.5 will be granted for unanswered questions and 0 for wrong answers. There will be no negative marks and the total marks will be 150. There will be certificates for all the participants and also special certificates as per their marks. AMC 12 also same. It's for, but the grade is for 11th and 12th graders. All the markings and everything will be same as of AMC 10. which will be 25 multiple choice questions, 6 for correct answer, 1.5 for unanswered, and 0 for wrong answer. There will be no negative mark, total 150. And here also there will be participation certificate for all the participants. So as you may know, there is a difference between A part and B part. Its exam dates are different and the questions are different, but the syllabus for both A and B part of AMC 10 will be same, as well as for AMC 12 also will be same. And why about 80 or 85% of the students are appearing for both A part and B part is because the next level of the AMC 10 and 12 is AIME. So if they are appearing for both part, it will be a chance for them to qualify for the next level of examination, which is AIME, because the cutoff mark for both A part and B part are different. So after AMC 10 and 12, the next level is AIME. The students who perform well on AMC 10 and 12 can attend on AIME, and the students who are scoring the AIME cutoff mark can participate in USMO. After USMO, the next level is Math Olympiad program. In that Math Olympiad program, you have to be directly in the US. Then was the award and recognitions. The top award is honor roll, then distinction certificate. For the AIME qualifiers, there will be AIME qualified certificate. Then for the first three students from each school will be getting school rank certificate. Achievement certificate is for AMC 8 students. Those who are registering for AMC 8, but not for all the AMC 8 students. For 5th and 6th grade students who are getting 15 point and above, because even they are in 5th and 6th, they are able to solve all these problems. So that's why they are getting achievement certificate and participation certificate for all the participants. So how we can help you to prepare for AMC? As you are seeing here, we'll be having weekly lively problem solving seminar session, then some limited textbooks, and then previous year question papers and mock exams. So these are the benefits of AMC. So most of the students, why they are appearing for AMC is during their college application form in US and Canada, they will be asking the AMC scores from the students. So if you are putting it, then it will be an extra credit for you to get the admissions in those colleges. So that is the main benefit. And this problem solving seminar session, which you are giving about 10,000 or lakhs in other tuition centers, you will be getting here as a complimentary. That is the another benefit. And then, okay, that's it for the AMC orientation. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Ajay Dubey. So he is the director, managing director at Math IIT, and he started his teaching career in Delhi at 1996 after completing his post graduation in mathematics, and he has taught about 1,000 plus students for JEE in Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, that he's founded by MIT. Then he founded by Math IIT. And he has today he has lead expert and experienced faculty that include over 10 IITians that impart the highest levels of coaching students. So now I would like to hand over the session to Ajit Dubey, sir. So, sir, thank you for giving. Actually, this year we have signed up a contract with Math IIT, and this year all our training program are leading by their team, which is Math IIT team. So the training program, Math Olympiad training program, which I have already told you about, which is going to be happening in Trivandrum, that also taking by his team. Ajit Dubey sir and his team is taking that classes. So it will be, so I just wanted to be a interactive section. So I request all of you to be in the camera. Sorry, I'm not on the camera because of some issues. So I'll be leaving now after giving the orientation. So it should be a interactive session for this year, the problem solving. So you all should be in the camera, then only it will be more interactive. Like, because he is such a brilliant mathematician with years of experience in teaching the students across various Olympiads, So I wanted that interaction between a teacher. We want that, TLUPS want that between the teacher and the students. So I request all of you to be in the camera, get ask questions to Sir Ajit sir. So get trained well. All the best. Bye. Sir, thank you for giving me this time. Actually, I take 4 minutes more than your time. I'm very sorry.
No problem, no problem. Thank you very much. So, good evening to all of you. So, today we are starting this session for the problem solving. This will be the every week on Saturday 5 to 6. I think it was informed to you. And it's just problem solving. And don't think that I will just give the problem and simply solve it. We will discuss. It means what other methods can be happen and basic idea about that question, how to deal such kind of the questions. So mainly it will be helpful for you to solving the question. The same times I will ask the team to provide you some question worksheet also for weekly basis, so you can try before attending the next session. So let's have in the pure interaction mode, because see, this session is for everybody. Whoever is registering for the AMC, they can come for this particular session. So it's nothing extra you have to do for this. So whatever the best output you can take it, you can take from here. One thing I can assure you that once you go through all these sessions, at least 20-25% of the question easily you can handle. Because AMC is the most easiest examination if you compare to the national level of examination or maybe international level of examination. So let's get started, and I will request all of you to, in the chat box, please mention your name and class. It will be easy for me to decide the things, means which class you are studying and how the things. So just in the chat box, please make sure to enter your name and class, which class you are studying and what is your name. Smita, if you are here, please convert me into host or co-host, because I'm not able to share the screen. And earlier host who got the message, please send me back those student message. Everyone, please send your name and class. And I will request all of you to switch on camera. Just use the 1 hour as like classroom. Don't make it as an online kind of things. So let me explain what exactly we are. We are from Math IT Institute. This is located in Trivandrum, Kerala. And this we are running here from 2003 onward. This is around 21-year-old institute. Last 7 years, we are into the Olympiad also. Until last year, it was only for the Indian Mathematics Olympiad, and one of the students reached to the national level. And basically, we have the JEE coachings and NEET coachings and all. But Olympiad division is totally different, where we are running the same times Indian IUQM batches, and there we give the training for the Mathematics Olympiad. And this year onwards, we sign up contract for the giving training for the AMC. So I can see the people's having the different classes, and one of the student is asking for which class. This is not for the particular class. This session is for the student who are going to write AMC examination. So a few questions we will be discussing, and concept behind that also we'll try to discuss. You can ask your query also in the same times, and it will make it more interactive. And believe me, one thing, after 1 hour, you will take out some things. Some things you will learn. So I will give the idea what exactly AMC, what kind of the questions will be there, what are the topics are there, and then we'll start slowly with the questions. So every Saturday, I will fix some kind of the target. It means this level will be there. This topic questions we will discuss more on this Saturday. Next Saturday, today is the first session, so we don't know each other. So don't worry. We will be discussing initially basic questions only today. But according to your response, I will change the level of the question, type of question, and everything's by the next session onwards. So still I have to get so many people's classes. Did not mention. Please. Okay. And again, the request to make sure to switch on camera. It will be, you will get better output of this. So I'm sharing the screen. So first things for the AMC. See, here maybe so many students are there who already wrote AMC, got the good score also. And some students who are going to face first time. Some students are there in the 7th class, some is there in the 8th class. Even some are there in the 12th class in the chat box, what I can see. So don't worry about that. It's a pure mathematics. It doesn't matter you are in the which class. You won't believe our mathematics Olympiad batch, Indian mathematics Olympiad batch, there is the one child who is not eligible to write Olympiad. He's in the 5th class, but he do very well. So mathematics doesn't require that which class you are there. Until the time you know the multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, rest everything you can learn it. So for the AMC, first things, what exactly the topics we have to study. One is algebra. So in algebra, what topic? So many topics. Everything, whatever you can imagine is there. Even 11th, 12th class topics is also there. Question I used to see previous papers. Even complex number, complex numbers comes in the 12th, 11th class only. But that question they used to ask in the AMC 10. So those chapters is also there. So in algebra, whatever you can imagine, everything is there. Except determinant and matrices, generally they don't ask it, but rest everything is there into this. The next is the combinatorics, which called in India, it's a very properly we used to call permutation and combination. This is the most important topic. Question used to come from here. In algebra itself, probability is also there, be clear. That is also question used to come every year. And the most important, trigonometry is also there in the AMC. Means trigonometry based question also they used to ask us. And trigonometry you should know for the solving the geometry. Geometry, of course, is there, which will be one of the important component for the AMC problems. And lastly, we are having the number theory also. Number theory is the most important. They will be asked a lot of questions for every Olympiad, not only this AMC, American Mathematical Competition. It's true for all other Olympiad also, even the Indian Mathematics Olympiad or maybe China in mathematics. Because finally, at the end of the day, they have to write final examination every country. So syllabus, everything is same. So these are the major topics which we have to deal. And remember, AMC, generally, their question paper break in the 3 portions. One is the really easy, which everybody, means 30% of the questions will be there that easy. Another is the medium size of the questions will be there. If you open any paper is available. So you will be getting the previous year question paper and all. So you can see the medium level will be there, and another one, the hard level questions will be there. Hard level in the sense, if more than one topic get involved in any question, generally people used to call it the hard level. Easy level is what? Where the single topic question used to come. So single topic questions can handle it easily. Right? So let's start with the simple questions, and I will be starting with the very basics question. And how the session will go on, let me show you the structure of the session, how I'm making it. Today's is the first lecture, so we will be discussing how the things will take place. I will be giving you problems, and I'll discuss this problem. I will give some time for you to think, and then I will give you the solution, means solving these questions. After that, for the next session, there will be one worksheet will be given to you. And that worksheet you can practice the question related to that. Means I will try to fit those questions which generally we discuss here in this. That's kind of the question, so that you can try the things. I will refer some books also, which you can go through it for solving the problems. And after finishing the session, you will get this notes as a PDF. As PDF. So we will be creating a group. In that group, you can get the notes after this completely in the form of the PDF. So don't worry about that. If suppose some point you could not write it, so don't worry. As whatever the notes I'm writing it here, you'll get in the form of the PDF. And we have some other plan also, but we'll come to, we'll explain you one by one at the point. So without wasting time, because already 15 minutes gone, we will be starting with the problem. So first, 3 to 4 sessions, I will be concentrating only on algebra. We'll go one by one. So in algebra, so many things are there. Via question, I will try to explain you each and every part of this. It means what are the questions we have to do, and those questions, via question, I will explain you the theory behind it. So let's start with the one of the question. Very simple question, because I do not know about all of you, what exactly your position, how much you know. So maybe initial questions will be the very easy, but as you will respond, according to the response, I will increase the level of the questions. So should we start?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So very simple question, the first question. I will give you 2 to 3 minute time and request you, all of you, please switch on camera and let's openly discuss. Whoever camera is on, I will tell their name to discuss, to ask the question to them. If anybody get answer, please type in chat box.
So done.
Please mention and enter your answer in chat box.
Okay.
Okay, one student did. Krishav, please mention your answer. Nancy,
Yeah, so you want me to mention the answer or with the steps as well?
only answer, only answer.
Okay, answer. The final
No, no,
answer is.
do not speak answer. Just mention in chat box.
Oh, okay.
So Nancy Sukla given the answer. Nancy, do you think that only that two answer are there, or any other answer you expect?
No, sir, only two.
Sure.
Only one, yeah. So,
Okay. Okay. Krishu given the answer, and it's a perfectly all right, correct answer. Tatan also given the answer, correct. And Nancy, one pair of answer you are missing. Please check.
sir, it's permutation of.
No, it's not permutation. There is no permutation. I'm starting with the very basic number. Let's come to that. Let me give the brief idea about this one. Those who are, for those students who don't know this point. So if you are knowing, it's perfectly all right. If take it as a revision. There are, for any natural number or any integer, there are two things. One is called as the GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Another is called as the LCM, least common factor, which is going to be. Now, in this case, GCD means what? Greatest common divisor means, suppose if I say there are two numbers, 12 and 8. So what is the greatest integer which will divide both? Actually, 1 also divide both, 2 also divide both. Am I right or not? 4 also divide both. So greatest common divisor will be 4. And LCM, if you have to find it out, then easily you can find the LCM. I guess everybody know how
24.
to find it. Yeah. So how to find out the LCM, that everybody. Now, if I say there are two natural number A and B, suppose I'm assuming let A equal to 12x. X is some other natural number. I will tell you what is the meaning behind this. And B equal to, I'm taking 12y. Why I taking 12? Because now I know that 12 is the greatest common divisor. Then X and Y will be called the relative co-prime. This is the co-prime number or relative prime number. Means there is no other common factor between X and Y. Otherwise, greatest common divisor cannot be 12. So from here, we can understand this point. If D is greatest common divisor, if D is the GCD between A and B, then A can be written as dx or dm, whatever name you are giving, B equal to dy, where X and Y will be co-prime. Or co-prime. See, co-prime called as the relative prime also. Co-prime is what? No other common factor except 1. For example, 5 and 8, these are the co-prime number because there is no common factor between these two. Remember, co-prime, don't get confused, they are the prime. No, not at all necessary. Suppose I say 8 and 15, both are not prime number, but still it will be called as the co-prime. So these two number I taken. Now your question done. This much is the most important condition. Rest everything will be done. A equal to this, B equal to this. Least common multiple of M. Now tell me, what will be LCM of A and B? Everybody. From here, in term of X and Y. What is LCM of A and B?
That is 432, but
This is the given. LCM is given
Yes,
for that.
sir.
I want that LCM in term of X and Y.
12xy?
12xy. Yes, perfect. Because X and Y are co-prime. So they 100% they will come. And 12 will be there also, 12xy. And 12xy is already given as a 432. So from here, your xy will be equal to what? 432 divided by 12. And which will be equal to 36. 12, 3, yes, 36. So xy equal to 36. And we know that key xy are natural number and co-prime. So easily we can guess it, the factor. So what is the possible combination? One possible combination, 1 and 36.
There's 9 and 4.
And 9 and 4. Finish. Your x will be 1, y will be 36, or x will be 9, y will be 4. But don't forget, this is not answer. This is the value of x and y. Nancy, I will speak to your doubts. Just hold on. So your A value will be what? A equal to 12 into 1 means 12. B equal to 12 into 36 means 432. This is the one solution. Other solution, A 1 into 12 into 9 was 08. And B equal to 12 into 4, 48. This is the answer. Now, those who are having any doubt, please let me know before I go to the next question. Yes, Nancy, I have very good. You're qualified. It's up to you, Nancy, that key you wanted to take up this session or not. It's your decision. But if you're feeling that key, okay, this is a small level of the question level will increase with the time. Immediately, I cannot give the simply a difficult question just to make you scare. Okay, you are not able to solve. We have to get confidence. We don't have to lose confidence. If you feel ki, yes, you don't require this, so you can decide you. There are some students also there. I know when my Indian Olympiad qualified, they are the RMO qualified, but they still used to attend this session. Take it as a revision. But it's up your choice. Anybody have any doubt in this? So what do we learn from this? We learn only one thing. If any two number, greatest common divisor is the D, that number will be given by dx and dy, where x and y will be co-prime number. And after that, whatever the other information is given, on the basis of other information we can give. This line is given just from in the book it was given, so I mentioned it. General solution, same way you can write it. So let's go to the next question. Anywhere doubt, wanted me discuss with me, please go ahead and ask to me. But don't expect, some student are 12th class student, some student 11th class student, please don't expect me to do the question directly something difficult level. I can take any level of the question, but that is not purpose. We are here, we are for doing, starting from the basic question and taking to the next level. That is my main idea. Very simple question. Any student who never prepare Olympiad also can give the answer. You don't have to give answer. You have to tell me that you are able to prove it up. If you are able to prove it, please mention done. Divisibility rule, I guess everybody knows. Any number is divisible by 9 when sum of digit of those number is divisible by 9. Any number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of those number digits is divisible by 9. That we know. Till 10, I think till 10th class, all the students used to learn. Any number divisible by 2 when the last digit is divisible by 2. Divisible by 3 when sum of digit is divisible by 3. Divisible by 4.
Yeah, can I say the proof?
Yes. Who's this?
This is Shubhan.
Subhan. Yes, Subhan. Which
Yeah.
class are you studying?
What? Sorry?
Which class you are studying?
I'm in 9th.
9th. Great. Tell me.
So you take the number as 10 raised to 1, A plus 10 raised to 2, B, and so on till 10 raised to K, N. And
Perfect.
then you subtract the sum of the digits, which will be A plus B plus C up to 10, up to N without the tens. So assuming that is divisible by 9, subtract that from the original number, the and then what you get is basically 9a plus 99b plus 999c, and you can, that is divisible by 9 clearly. So since the subtraction is divisible by 9, so the original number is divisible by
Do
9.
you have any other method? No, but this method perfectly correct. There is no doubt about it. I will also explain by this method only. But I'm asking, just for curiosity, I'm asking, do you have any other method to just prove this question?
By
Are you-
modular arithmetics.
Who is this? Please speak your name.
Sir Kathan.
Yes. Modular arithmetic can be applied in one step. That also, of course, I'm not going to do by this at this point because these are just first class. Later stage will do. First thing, any number, how we used to write it. Every number we write like this. 10 power 0 in decimal system. 10 power 1 into A1 plus 10 power 2 into A2 plus 10 power 3 into A3 plus so on till 10 power n into an. This is the way of writing the any number. This is something wrong. I wrote it. I'm sorry.
So
One
10
term one term I miss out. I'm sorry. 10 power 0 into A0. Let's write. This is called the unit place. This is 10th place. This is the 100th place and so on. A1, where A1, A0, A1, A2 and all till AN are digits. Simply digits, nothing else. Digits, all of you know, it's a 0 to 9. So these are the digits. So every number, for example, if I say 2, 3, 5, so how will I write? Unit place is 5, so 5 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power 1 plus 2 into 10 power 2. This is the way of writing. I hope everybody understand this point. Anybody want me to re-explain this point? Please let me know. Any general number, any number, if you have to write it, we always write this. This is the way to write a number. And this will give you the proof of everything. 10 power 0 means 1. So n, I can write it as A0. Think carefully. I have to check divisibility with the 9. If I say, tell me, prove it that 10 is divisible by 10 is not divisible by 9. So we'll say that 10 I can write 9 plus 1. Since 9 is divisible by 9, 1 is not divisible by 9, so this summation cannot be divisible. Means summation will be divisible by the 9 only if every term is divisible by 9. I hope everybody able to understand. A0, I don't know anything about A0. 10A1, can I write A1 plus 9A1? Yes, we can write it. 10 square A2, I can write it as A2 plus 99A2. 10 cube, I can write it as A3 plus 999A3. Everybody able to understand? I'm just splitting. You understand? Those who are learning first time. So on. So if A1 means 9, A2 means 29, A3 means 39, so on, A 9 time, n time 9 an, and plus an here. I can split this complete expression in this way. I hope understood everybody. I just split. Why, sir, I split? So that I can get it, I can remove those terms which is divisible by 9. Now this term is divisible by 9. Every term is divisible by 9, so this total is divisible by 9. If anything divisible by 9, I can write this way also. Plus A2, so on, an. This is divisible by 9. So 100% this will be 9 into some integer. 9 into some integer. 9 into, because 9 can be taken common. So 9 into some integer. This term is divisible by 9. If you want n should be divisible by 9, the only condition is this should be divisible by 9. And that is the proof. It means sum of digit must be divisible by 9. Anyone have any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. This method 2 is the modular arithmetic, which we'll be discussing when I will start with that kind of things. That is will be done by modular arithmetic. That is the much easier. Actually, all the number theory questions, maximum questions we can do modular arithmetic method, where wherever remainder is involved, modular arithmetic is the best way to do. So modular arithmetic means that's condition of divisibility, then Chinese remainder theorem, and so many other points are there, which very useful for the any kind of Olympiad. But I hope all of you can now derive for the any kind of division. I'm not talking about this one. Suppose I say that a number is there, 4-digit number. Let's make it simple. 4-digit number. This symbol, all of you can understand. Whenever we write this symbol, bar if we apply, it means these are digits. These are digits. Understood? So n, how you write? D plus 10C plus 100B plus 1000D. If I say derive the condition that this number is divisible by 4. Derive the condition if this number is divisible by 4. Any number divisible by 4. Suppose I don't know. I forgot it. I want to see that this number should be divisible by 4. First thing is that this is already divisible by 4. If you divide by 4, 1000 will be divisible by 4. 1000 by 4 will become what? 250. This is also divisible by 4. 50. It means if this number has to be divisible by 4, so D plus 10C must be divisible by 4. 10C must be, because this is already divisible by 4. So this I can write 4K, 4 into some integer. Whoever divisible by 4, that you can write this way. So it means D plus 10C must be divisible by 4. Up think carefully. If anywhere you write D plus 10C, which is nothing but what? CD. CD, how do you write it? D plus 10C. It means this number will be divisible by 4 only when last 2 digit is divisible by 4. Because this is called as the last 2 digit. This is the last 2 digit. We are starting from right side. No? So this is the last 2 digit. Last 2 digit must be divisible by 4. Or you can develop your own rule. You can say, no, sir, I can make it more simple. How? D plus 10C also I can write 2C plus 8C plus 4K. Now this is already divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. So we can say other way also, that D plus 2C must be divisible by 4. That means last digit plus twice of second last digit must be divisible by 4. But generally we don't learn this style. We learn other way only. The last 2 places must be divisible by 4. I hope everybody clear about this. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. Going ahead, I'm trying to bring such similar kind of questions so that we can understand and learn one particular concept type of question in every session. So today's session, I'm just focusing on numbers, only numbers. Other sessions we'll do by other way. Another question, just try to see. Very simple question. Meaning, try to understand. Prove that the number in the decimal system is the number which we are learning. That is the decimal system only. Means wherever 10 digits are there. Wherever 2 digits are there, that's called the binary system. So the decimal system is expressed by the means of 91 unities. means a number where the number is containing 91 1. Only 1 is there and 91 number of 1 is there. You have to prove that it's a composite number. Did you understand my question? Suppose I say 2 unities. What is that number? You will say 1 1. This is a prime number. But they are saying 91 unities. That means number is your 1 1 1 1 1 1. How many times? 91 times. You have to prove that this number is composite number. If try it, take 2-3 minute time. Once it's done, please let me. Okay, Krish.
Sir, what are unities?
Unity means 1.
Oh, okay.
Like I said that if suppose this question is there, having 3 unities, so that number will write 1 1 1.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, Kadan Patel has done. Wait, Patel, let's wait for the 2 minutes. Other people try, then I will ask you. Anybody else? Okay, Kathan, can you speak out? What the your method?
So generalizing it like 10 to the power something minus 1 upon 9, and we will get this only. And then just solving by expanding.
I understood that you got something like this, right? But how do you say that this is a composite number?
So we will expand it, and like it will become 10 to the power 90. Like 10 minus 1, we can divide is 10 to the power 91 minus 1 to the power 91 is always divisible by 10 minus 1.
That's why this 9 in denominator, so that will get cancelled.
Yes, so it will get cancelled, and then we will get like 10 to the power 90 plus 10 to the power 89 and so on.
But this number, how will calculate? Prove that it's a plus 1 will come. So nothing I can take common. Because how will you say it's composite? You have to prove it's a product of two integers apart from your number and the one, some other integer. Did you understand my doubt? You're going in right direction, but the final proof, the logic, I'm not able to understand. So let's do it. First thing is, any number, forget about the unity. If any other digit, 2 is there, or 3 is there, or 5 is there, suppose I say that A, these are digits, n times one digit, same A digit is repeating, like here 1 repeating. So this number, how will you write? A plus 10A plus 10 square A plus 10 cube A plus. Suppose m numbers, m times is repeating m times. Are you able to understand? So if it's repeat 2 times, it will go A plus 10A. If you repeat 3 times, A plus 10, A plus 10 is square. So m times, so you will see that it will come 10 power m minus 1A. I can take A common, and in the bracket will come 1 plus 10 is square plus 10 cube plus so on 10 power m minus 1. This is your number. I do not know that you study sequence series and all those things are not factored by algebraic identity. I will give you simply a formula, but this formula is very simple. Those who already studied, they must be knowing. Till r power n minus 1 always equal to r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is a simple GP formula. If you never heard about the GP, don't worry. When the problem will start, I will give you the basic idea about the GP. But this is called the GP form. 1 plus r square plus till r power n. The number of terms is how many? N term. Remember, number of term is not n minus 1. It's n term. Why? Because this is a 1, 2, 3 till n minus 1. Here to here n minus 1 term and 1 extra. The total n term. R power n minus 1 means whatever is multiplying. So this value will become your A into 10 power m minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So it means n will be written as A into 10 power m minus 1 divided by 9. This is the number. If any digit A repeat m times, so that number can be written this way. That number can be written this way. I hope everybody understood. This number I can write this way. If I ask you, one number is there, 3 into 10 power 6 minus 1 by 9. Can you tell me what exactly this number?
Five times 3.
Don't be in a hurry. Please type in chat box. Type in chat box. Be alert. If a number is written this way, so that number exactly what? Yes. This is the what? This is the actually this version. This we converted. This format. So same logic you can apply. So this number will be what? Your 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6 times. This is the number. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Right? Okay. Now coming back to question. I'll just give it the basic idea about this one. Coming to the back the question. Look at it. This is the different way we can solve. I'm just doing today only very basic because I do not know all of you. I have to learn about you. Then only I will increase and decrease level. So n is this one. So I will say that your n is nothing but 1 into A will be 1. 10 power 91 minus 1 by 9. 91 is a composite number. 13 into 7, yes. So can I write 10 power 7 power 13, that will become 10 power 91 minus 1 divided by 9, which again I can write it as 10 power 7 minus 1 power 13 minus 1 divided by 10 power 7 minus 1 into 10 power 7 minus 1 by 9. Check everyone, this step all of you understood. Nothing I did, bhai. 10 power 7 minus 1 I did. Up, think careful. This is integer. Why integer, sir? Arey bhai, this is the form of, this is a number, simply a number. What is that number? 1, 1, 1, 1, 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is what? This is also integer. Sir, how can you say integer? Because this is the form of this formula, where R is what? R is 10 power 7. R is 10 power 7. So this is what? 1 plus 10 power 7 plus 10 power 7 is square plus so on till 10 power 7 power 12. This is the integer. This I explain, convert by using reverse way. This is integer, this is also integer. And both, they are different from your number n. So it's having the extra factor compared to the 1 and n. So 100% sure n will be composite number. N will be composite number. Check this out, all of you understood or not?
Sir,
Yes.
may you please re-explain last 2-3 steps? Actually, my internet had gone at that time. It was not working.
Okay. Did you understand this step? Which step? This
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Using this formula, R is the, suppose I put 10 power 7, n is the 13.
Yes, sir.
Using this formula, this value, I can write it at this particular value, this value. This value I can write it as 1 plus 10 power 7 plus 10 power 7 square plus 10 power 7 cube plus so on 10 power 7 power 12.
Yes, sir.
Into, this is we know by using this, this is nothing but one integer, 1, 1, 1. How many times? 7 times. 6, 7.
Yes, sir.
This is some integer, some big integer. This is also some integer. Means we prove that it's a product of two different integers. So 100% n will be composite number.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else having any doubt? Can we do any other method?
So basically, you proved it by like you took you took 1 7 times, and you
Yes.
raised it to 13, and then you removed 1, so you raised it to 12, and then you simplified that 12 value, and basically that's how you found that it is a product of two different integers, right?
Correct.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else can give me any other quick method? Very quick. This question can be solved at least 6 different ways. Thinking some other method doesn't mean that we are trying to get the shortcut. That means we are trying to learn something more better way. I don't know, means I'm not going to disclose any other method, just I'm trying to give you a hint. 11, 11. 4 times 11 means 4 times 1. 4 times 1 means what? 1 plus 1 into 10 plus 1 into 10 square plus 1 into 10 cube. Agree, everybody? From here, I can take, this is the 11, no doubt. From here also, I can take 10 square common. I will get what? 1 plus 10, 11. 11 I can take common. So you'll get 101. Speak out. I did correct. Everything correct, no? 10 square common, 1 plus 10, 11. Yes. Any number you can break in that way. Suppose I say there are 5 11. How will you write it? 1 plus 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 power 4 plus. That's all I think. Yes. 10 power 4. Correct? Yes. Can I do something? This is the 11. From here, take 10 square common. What will you get? 1 plus 10 plus 10 square, which is nothing but 111. Triple one already having the one factor 11. So 11 I can take common. So 1 plus 10 square into 101. The hint I given, and that is for the next session. I'm giving the
I
another
didn't
method.
understand, sir. I didn't understand.
Can you take 11 common from here or not?
No, sir. Not directly.
Why? Nick, I break it like this way. This breaking, have you understand?
Yes, sir.
So 1 plus 10, 11, I wrote it. From these three terms, I taken 10 square common.
Yeah.
So 1 plus 10 plus 10 square.
Yes, sir.
So 1 plus 10, 11. And 10 square is 100, 111.
Yes, sir.
And 111, we already proved that it's 11 you can take common from here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I did mistake. I'm sorry.
That
Yes,
is 4
exactly. So there's 4 ones.
Yes. There was the mistake. I did not notice. Okay, no problem. So 10 square into 111. This will come. Now, from here, anything can we do? Can we take up something? 11 part, can we write it?
I don't think so. I don't know.
The idea I'm trying to give is you have to break into the 11 into the pieces. If this cannot be break, I'm
Yes,
sorry.
sir.
I taken 5. 5 is not a composite number. If you take something 6 and 7, it will break. So think in the next session, I will give you that idea. It's a one-step question, can be solved. But just try to get some general idea. I'm leaving on you to get that idea, because simply solving will not solve the purpose.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Let's get the another question. Again, very simple question. A is an integer which is neither divisible by 2 nor divisible by 3. You have to prove that a square minus 1 is divisible by 20. A square minus 1 is divisible by 24. That's what we had to prove. Very simple question. It's based on Euclid division lemma. It's based on Euclid division lemma. What is Euclid division lemma? If you divide one integer by other one, suppose quotient is coming q and remainder is coming r. So b we can write it as aq plus r. B we can write it as aq plus r. R is remainder. I hope all of you know division. It's very
Yes,
simple.
sir. Yes, sir.
R is remainder, so R is also integer, and R will always lie between 0 to A with the divisor.
Yes, sir.
With a very small cursor. How? Suppose I say any number n, I'm dividing by 3. So what will happen? So n can be written as a 3 into some integer, let's say m, plus r.
R.
And r can vary from where to where?
It can be 0, 1, 2, or 3.
Yes.
No, it can't be 3. Sorry.
So every number in mathematics can be written as a 3m or 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 2. That's all. Every number, any integer in the mathematics will be either this form or this form or this form. No other form exists. In terms of 3, I'm talking. Similarly, if I say in terms of the 6, can you tell me what are the possibility? 6m?
So it
6m
can be from 0 inclusive to 5.
Yeah, 6m plus 3, 6m plus 4, 6m plus 5. So, using this logic, try to solve these questions. And few questions I'm giving for the homework, and we will be discussing in the next session. This, including this question. Including this question, other question is also for your homework. Try this number theory based questions we'll be discussing in the first 2-3 sessions, which will make sure that all different. I will try my best to discuss all different kind of this question in number divisibility base. It's a basic question, very basic.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you said that when we were starting the class, then that we will get some worksheets. So, sir, where can we access those?
That our people will be updating to all of you. There will be some group, will be their WhatsApp group where you will be added, and all the worksheet will be shared there.
Sir, how would we will be added?
We will be informing you, those students who already registered with for the AMC examination.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much for today's session, and we'll see in the next coming Saturday, and where we'll discuss more the questions. We'll be in the creating group. In the group, you can ask your doubt also. There is no problem. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.